What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Doing a quick recap. We made $370 on United Healthcare. I'm going to break that down for you. That puts us up year to date $50,676. Now, if you look, you will see that UNH is a big part of my gain so far this year. UNH has been about almost $18,000 in gains, whereas Nvidia is around $15,000 to $16,000. So those are my two big movers that I've been day trading and scalping. Let's just get into the trade. I missed that opening around 9 a.m. I was really surprised when it just popped off like that. I was not expecting this move. At 9:30 in the morning, it just blasted off. So I missed this move up. That would have been nice. 300 up to 307. Very patient all day. Not many trades except one. And the trade that I did do was, let me just zoom out and show you, was right in here, this little mini bear flag that was forming. I looked for this piece right here. Let me just show you. I saw that we had support around 297 because it touched here, had a little support here, and then right in here is where my entry was. So I'm just going to show you what I saw. So I saw this little bear flag forming right here, and I notified the members of the WAP of what I was seeing. But right here was the little bear flag that was forming after we had the sell-off. So we sold off from 305, and then it started. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more just so you can see it a little better. So at 305 all the way down to 297, we started having this consolidation zone right here, and it was just consolidating. And then I bought the dip once it hit to 297, and then I just sold a point up to 298. So not bad. Made a point today. Made $370, so I'm happy with it. We'll continue to look for new opportunities, but that was the one quick trade today. Definitely be sure to check out my new video, how I made $20,000 in this month just off of United Healthcare, which has been awesome. We continue to dollar cost average in them. And check out the links here. You have the WAP as well. Check out the free stuff, the Robinhood platform, the live pre-market analysis on Wednesdays, and then also weekend analysis breaking down levels. And if you want to join the community, just click on the links, click on the WAP right here. And if you want to support the channel, you can become a member right here. So appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Just a quick update on the day trades for today.